to save our gas cooking beans?
I just casually remembered something I was doing while being an undergraduate. As a student, then you have to find ways to cut costs, and the major avenue for costly spending would be that of the cooking gas. So spending much on cooking gas, and the major foods that students cook then were just rice, beans, and the rest na yam. I think so. So I think beans was the only item that consumed gas more. So I know that some people have found the trick of using placing metal spoons inside the pot while cooking the beans, or some other places use what do they call it? The Northerners call it kanwa, but I think the English name is potassium. Use potassium and place inside the food, and it works to soften. It makes the beans soft or gets cooked on time before you spend more on gas. But then something I was doing, if I knew I was going to cook beans in the evening and I want to save on gas, I want to save on time. When I leave in the morning, after the breakfast, after having morning breakfast, which is normally gari, gari and granite. So once I leave in the morning, because before I leave, I wash the beans in 1 or 2 cups, and then I just put it in the water and soak. So I will go out from my house, from my room by 8 a.m. and then coming back by 4 5, the beans has been in water for like the whole day. Once I place it in the pot to cook, in 10 20 minutes everything is done. So yeah, I think that's a good trick. The, that trick alone has saved me a lot then, because now I really don't have time to cook beans nowadays and just buy from outside. So I think that's a life hack for bachelors and family men who wants to save cost on cooking gas while cooking beans. So be it moi you can actually blend it and everything. But then just normal beans cooking, you have to, yeah, I did the soak and travel method.